Hi everyone, how's it going? My name is Harris and I'm a web designer. And today I'm going to review the first website that I ever built with Webflow. This is how the website looks like. And yeah, I built this back in 2022. This is the first fake project that I ever built. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we are seeing right now is the hero section. It is the classic left side is the text and right side is the image, and the image is not too big because I want it to be that way. And moving to the next one, the second section, did you see that there was a loading animation? We have more menus. We want to highlight just three of them because we want to drive the user attention to the rest of the page. But if the user want to see the menu, there is a button in here. And then moving down, the third section is the product recognition or the product persona, how the company want the user to see who they are and what they serve. This is what they serve. I don't have to read it, right? And the next one is the review section. Did you see the animation? It looks interesting, right? And yeah, this is social recognition, I guess. Social validation. I don't remember, but yeah, this is how I design it. And I'm really happy about what it looks like on Webflow. And this is really simple to accomplish this. And the next one is the CTA. There was a bit of an interaction, and I mean animation. Get your coffee with the coffee cups at the background. And then last one is footer. This is pretty generic. Hang on. Let's go to find stores. So our stores, this is how the stores looks like. They are made using Flexbox. So you can see unique, not unique, ununified length of each cards in here. And if you see in the top of the menu, the nav bar and the Flexbox, the alignment is not valid. I need to fix that. There is supposed to be the next button in here, but we don't have enough items to show the next item button. Let's get to about section. Again, this is the classic half image and half text section, the about us. Only the finest quality coffee beans. Yeah. Anyway, all of these photos of coffees and coffee beans, they are from Nathan Dumlow from Unsplash. Thank you, Nathan. And then next one, this is the board of founders or board of directors. And then their stories. Wow, this is, look at the alignment. They're correct right now. At the bottom of the page, there is a CTA again and the footer, of course. And if you see on the top of the view, this one, and why this doesn't look aligned, I wanted this to look like this. Let me shrink the page. Yeah, it is actually, initially I wanted to look like this. The image will stick to the left of the corner. And then we have menu section. There were no loading animation as I mentioned. This is the header, our menu. They are separated into categories. The first one is espresso based, espresso, Americano, whatsoever. And then manual brew. Yeah, I know manual brew is not supposed to look like this. V60 is not supposed to look like this. Or Japanese one, French press. I took these photos literally from copy paste up here. And then non-coffee, the animation is a bit wonky. I think that's about it. I haven't made the contact form section because that is too simple. And yeah, let's head to the Figma section. What I did to achieve this layout. Okay, here is how the design looks on Figma. It looks pretty similar. Yeah, because this is design that I took for the website itself. Let's head to the project brief. Every time I start a new project, it starts from a project brief. The company is called Next Day Coffee Incorporated. And I know on the internet, there is already a website called Next Day Coffee. I made this website back in 2022, and I guess 2 years is enough for a full-fledged company to rise, right? Yeah, the first thing what we are building is a website for a coffee shop franchise, and the goal is for brand recognition, displaying the products to attract audience and then help customer find them. The target audience is people who enjoy coffee. The desired look and feel of the site is premium and robust, clean and minimalistic. And the third one is photography instead of illustrations. And I listed the competitors I have in mind, but I'm sure there are a lot more. And then any specific functionality, yes, CMS content for stores locations and etc. I guess coffee, menu and stuff, and then newsletter subscription. And then before designing, I'm actually putting in a lot of inspiration to Moodboard. I don't have to explain any, and I think if I remember it correctly, I took a few layout from these inspirations, and they are pretty good designs from a random designer that I don't remember, from Dribble and Lapa.Ninja awards. No, I think they're none from awards. And then next up, before I design the actual thing, I made the wireframe, how I want to position stuff and what it might look like when I design it. And then when I am satisfied enough, later I design it. Oops, yeah. Actually, you should design before you create the guideline, right? But the guidelines need to be there, especially the typography. You need to prepare it before you create the design. This is the guidelines for typography and the guidelines for components, the navbar, footer, the menu card, I guess. Yeah, you should name your components. Don't do it like I did, right? And then the design. This is the design. The thing that you saw earlier in my final look of the website, and this is how I designed it. I don't have to show you the whole design again because you already saw the actual website. And then we have the showcase. After I developed it, I took a screenshot of my design and I showcased it. For some reason, I don't know why I showcased the wireframe itself. So yeah, that's more or less everything that I can share regarding to my first website. And it is a fake project. I'm pretty satisfied with how it goes, with how it looks like in the final look of the website, the animation, and how I want things, how I want it to look like. Yeah, let me show you a B-roll of it. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, guys, so that's all that I can share about my first ever website that I built on Webflow. It was fun, but there are a lot of stuff that I could improve on my next upcoming project, which I actually did on my next one. And I'm going to talk about that in another video. And yeah, for now, I'm going to close this recording. And if you made it this far, thank you for tuning in. See you again in my next upcoming videos. Bye bye.